Beaver to police department. Searching the house with a
Yellow
canine.
animal.
Come out or you may get bit. Last chance. Beaver to police. Searching the building with a canine. Come out now or you're going to get bit.
Their nephew's house out of town, their house too. Yeah, I'd send him down. I know, I was just kind of thinking that too.
You want to leave the tango? They said the bathroom, they took home the bathroom doors closed and locked.
On the left or right? On the left.
Really? Okay, right behind you.
Did you talk to me?
Yep.
Yeah, would if you got the backyard covered, you want to direct that unit?
Come again. You said left.
Negative.
Their bathroom?
Beaver to police department. Searching the house with a canine. Come out or you're going to get bit.
Hey Brian, it's right on this other side of this.
So it's straight through you right there.
Backyard.
Okay. Did you get that closet?
Yeah.
Be clear? Okay.
They would, if there's a window on that bathroom, it's going to be pretty much dead center.
Check the noise. Noise coming from inside. Yes.
Search the building with a canine. It's a vacuum cleaner.
Are you Robo? Robo.
Yes!
Good boy.
It's I think he's making beer.
Let's just make sure there's nobody on the robot. Hey man, we should hear it.
Clear. There's a bad guy. Good, you?
That is a first.
Yeah.